All right, everyone. Happy Monday. Welcome sa ating daily charting session. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam, ang ginagawa po natin dito is we take a look at either the trending names and we get those from yung listahan na binibigay ng Instagrams. You usually find it on the right-hand side of your screen, no? Or mga requested stocks. Very often, I do a mix para napagbibigyan ko naman ang karamihan or ang lahat, no? And today will be no different. We'll do a mix of requested and trending names. Okay? So we'll start off with WLCON. So WLCON is a requested stock and a trending name. So natutuwa ako pag ganun kasi tayo, no? Doble cara. Alright? So we get to please everyone. Now, what can we say about WLCON? So nag-hit tayo ng new high at 30.2. Minark ko siya as new high kasi nagkaroon na tayo ng pullback after that, after printing that high, no? Nagkaroon tayo ng pullback. What we're doing is we're currently retracing dito sa area na to of previous consolidation prior to price breaking out. Now, ibig bang sabihin nun na mag-hold to, tas tutuloy tayo? Hindi natin alam, no? What we are looking out for if we are bullish on WLCON is number one, either mag-consolidate muna siya, like so. Okay? Kahit na slightly deeper yung consolidation, okay lang. Meaning, hindi naman niya kailangan saktong-sakto sa area lang na to. No? Pwedeng something like this. Hindi natin alam. Okay? The other one is we can flag like so. Okay? Again, how deep that is, mahirap masabi. Kasi kahit na merong area of consolidation dito, medyo shallow eh. Diba? Kumbaga, yes, we broke out of it. Pero wala pa nga siyang 10% eh. Overall, diba? Especially if you include comps. So, if it flags, okay, meaning magcha-channel siya pababa ng ganyan, hindi natin masasabi kung how deep it might actually go. Hindi bale sana kasi kung mas malayo or mas malakas yung pag-break, then it's easier to say na, itong area na to baka mag-hold. As is, itong buong area of previous consolidation na to is liable to act as some type of area of support kung bumalik man ng price dyan. Okay? What we don't want to see kung bullish tayo is mabasag tong 26 na area. Okay? Kasi what might happen if that breaks is baka dito na tayo magkonso. Okay? I am not saying na magiging bearish na kung pag maging ganyan na. I am just saying na kung ganyan, then the likelihood na yung patuloy lang na pataas na momentum na parang ganito, baka babagal or baka magpahinga muna. Which could be a good thing. Remember, in order for something to keep getting higher, hindi lang naman siya yung basta, maraming gustong bumili. Diba? Yes, yun yung primary na reason. But essentially, para dumami ang gustong bumili, kailangan din manundo. Okay? So, it's not essentially a bad thing. And if that happens, then at least sama-sama rin natin mababantayan at sama-sama rin natin titignan. Obviously, another bullish sign is kung ma-break na lang bigla tong 30.2 at sumarurot tayo pataas, no? So, syempre, lahat na may hawak na, yun din yung hinihintay. Okay? At bago ko malimutan, lahat ng may hawak na, congratulations. Just be sure to trail your stops para kung sakali man na bigla siyang mag-pullback ay hindi natin umabot sa punto na mag-give back natin yung karamihan or a chunk of our gains. Okay? Next, let's take a quick look at Glow. No? So, Glow is a requested stock. So, ano nga ba nangyayari sa Glow ngayon? So, Glow, nag-breakout siya dito. Nag-form tayo ng parang range here, which we broke out of. Tapos ngayon, parang dyan na naman tayo nagpo-form. So, parang ganito, no? Parang nagpa-flag siya pababa, di ba? You can look at it like that or you can look at it as a bigger range. It doesn't really matter. All that matters is you know na price is currently working within this range. Okay? It's currently working within this range. And ano ba ang mga possible na bearish na signs? So, for me, okay, ang bearish pa rin is if we can break below tong 2.6 na area. Okay, 2.6 something, itong area na to. If we break below that, then there's a possibility na i-fill natin tong mabilis na move up. Diba? I always say na usually mga ganito, mga mabibilis na move up, kung nabalikan, diba, malaking chance na mapupuno siya, mababawi. So that's what we're watching out for. Okay? The other thing is, if ma-break itong low na to, tong 2.8 na low, okay, just let me clean this up a bit. If ma-break yung low na yan, what we can expect is possibly, okay, baka mag-form tayo ng support here. Baka mag-form tayo ng head and shoulders pattern here. And then we were gonna have to watch the neckline to see na hindi siya mabasag. At baka yun yung maging senyales natutulak na siya pababa. Okay, I am not saying na yung head and shoulders na nagtulak pababa. I am saying that that type of structure might lead to a possible breakdown if, okay, if, that's a big if, mabuo nga siya at ma-break yung neckline tapos tumulak tayo downwards. Okay? So we want to be careful kasi again, in that scenario, what we're looking at is mabe-break natin tong support na to dito, 2.6 na area, then possible na balikan natin tong 2.3. Okay? So sa mga may hawak na, again, be sure to trail your stops accordingly. Okay? Para hindi tayo magbabalik ng malaking gains kung nataon. Sundan lang po kung anong sistema man ang ginagamit natin, ano yung mga favorites nyo. Just be sure na meron. Okay? Kailangan merong plano, kailangan merong disiplina, kailangan merong sinusundan. Alright? Next, let's take a look at Converge. So Converge, tuloy-tuloy lang po ang pag-angat natin. Okay, there's really not much to say about this except nag-break na naman tayo ng high na to. Sorry. Okay, so let's take the magnet and let's bring this down. There. So we broke through tong previous high of 36.7. Dito kasi finake out lang natin di ba? Finake out natin. Today, we gapped up and then we push higher and then we close above it. Alright, so from here, what can we expect? So, kung mag-pullback, again, all the way, siguro hanggang kayong mga dito, medyo okay pa. Nandiyan pa yung momentum, yung strong momentum, not necessarily yung uptrend momentum, but yung strong momentum ng pagtulak lang ng pagtulak. Okay? So, that's one. The other is, it might not even reach that point. Baka dito lang tayo sa taas mag-consolidate from this previous high. So, that depends, no? Or we could just push higher from here. Okay? Lahat yun ay mga bullish na senyales na inaabang-abangan natin. Ngayon, ano naman ang bearish? If we break below this low here, then what happens is we might revisit tong 32.3 and if that's unable to hold, then highly likely we revisit tong white area dito sa baba. Okay, bakit? Kasi we'll be breaking through multiple layers of support kung nangyari man yun. So, usually kapag nababasag ang multiple layers of support, lalo na yung ganito na hindi naman masasabi na strong support, lalo na't wala namang siyang historical data to the left na pwede nating sandalan, di ba? So usually pag ganon, tatry niya maghanap sa mga areas na mas masasabi na malakas ang support. Kasi nga naman, lahat naman ng tao ay naghahanap ng mga potential entries or potential points na mag-join sa trade, di ba? So etong white area na to, dyan kasi tayo nagkaroon ng previous resistance turned support, di ba? Flip zone, ito, tsaka to. Okay? So there's a possibility na if bumalik tayo dyan, okay, dyan tayo makahanap ng foothold. Okay, to see what happens from there. Kumbaga, baka magkaroon ng pause. It doesn't mean na kapag tumama dyan ay aangat na ulit. It doesn't mean na kapag tumama dyan ay bullish na, kailangan pumasok na. It just means that there's likely going to be some type of reaction if we come back to this area. But what that reaction will do is kailangan pa natin panoorin. And again, magkakasama naman po tayong lahat dito. Araw-araw natin ito ginagawa. So, sama-sama po natin itong mababantayan at matutulungan po natin ang isa't isa para i-monitor ang sitwasyon. Now guys, if you find this video helpful, if you find these daily charting sessions educational na nakakatulong sa inyo, nakakatulong sa trading nyo, I would really appreciate it if you give this video a like and consider subscribing to my channel. It's one of the few ways for me to determine kung talaga nga bang nakakatulong tong content sa inyo. Dahil syempre, yun naman ang goal natin is makapag-produce ng content na nakakatulong sa kapwa natin. Alright? And also guys, I would like to take this time to apologize kung meron kayong mga naririnig na background noise. As I've mentioned numerous times before, meron kasing construction dito sa may amin and hindi ko naman mapigilan yung ingay. Hindi naman ako ang pangulo dito, di ba? So, medyo nalalapit na sila, kaya mas naririnig natin yung background noise minsan. Tinatry ko minsan timingan, pero pag minalas talaga, wala akong magawa okay? So, moving on, let's take a look at TEL, no? So, TEL, what we're doing is we broke through these highs here. So, ito yung highs na yan, no? And then we next have, di ko alam bakit nabura, we next have our resistance level around here. Okay? So, whoops. Around this area, itong high na to. Okay? Around 1777. Okay? So, what it's doing right now is nagko-consolidate tayo sa highs, which could be a good thing kasi baka mag-form lang dyan. Then we push higher from there, targeting the next level of resistance. If we're able to break above tong 17, then ang next natin is 1944. Okay, 1777. Then next natin is 1944, no? However, again, mahirap humabol sa ganito. Yes, it's very tempting na humabol do sa range. Sabihin natin magkakat tayo kapag price falls below etong range lows, no? Pero kasi yung pupuntahan niya is right into this gap and area of support. So baka mangyari, magkakat ka para lang tumama dito yung prices, tumaas ulit. 'Di ba? So parang medyo delikado. Ang lapit lang niya, 60 pesos lang yung difference for a 1,660 pesos stock. That's nothing. 'Di ba? So kailangan nag-iingat tayo ng konti doon kasi ayaw nating pangunahan, lalo na maglalagay tayo ng arbitrary stop. Tapos masama rin sa psyche minsan na mag-i-stop out tayo only to find na sinuka natin yung baba tapos magpo-push din siya pataas, 'di ba? So for me personally, I would rather watch out for that. Okay, maybe to see this flag down like this. Okay? Maybe to see it flag down like that, then possibly find an entry from there. Or kung talaga nga magko-consolidate siya dito to form new highs, 'di ba? Kung yun lang talaga gusto niya na talaga umangat, then maybe maghanap lang ng better timing sa lower time frames, which I will leave to you and kung ano mang sistema ang ginagamit nyo. Alright? So yun po yung tell. Medyo malayo na, no? Mabilis yung inangat niya. So we discussed the bullish scenarios. Yung bearish naman is if we break below here, which alam ko medyo malayo and unlikely. If we break below there, dahil nga nakain tong move na to, then medyo delikado tayo. Tell might revert. Babalik tayo dito sa mga 1-3 area where we broke out from. And then from there, saka natin makikita ulit or matitignan ulit kung ano nga ba talaga ang balak niyang gawin. Maaaring mag-pullback nga siya, bumalik siya dito, only to see it hold, move higher, tapos magkaroon tayo ng bagong parang high, low, tapos magkakaroon ng higher high, tapos baka mag-print ng higher low, and so on, no? So yun, kailangan natin tignan pagdating ng panahon, kung umabot man tayo doon. Okay, again, I am not saying na aabot tayo doon. I am just saying na if umabot man doon, at least handa tayo. At least na pagplanuhan natin. Di tayong mag-freeze. Alright, and then finally, for today, we're taking a look at ABA. So ABA, ang nangyari today is we broke above this level of resistance here. Itong minor consolidation na to, no? We have minor consolidation here, then we broke above, and our next level of resistance is 1.19. Okay? If mabasag natin yung 1.19, then what we're looking at next is ito na. So, let me do that. Then what we'll be looking at next, kung mabasag man natin yun, is 1.32. Okay? That's what we'll be looking at next, no? For now, if you're bullish ABA, what you want to see is for price to hold above itong area na to. Just let me color that in. Okay? Itong area na yan. Bakit? Yan kasi yung mga nag-act as resistance on the way up eh. So we expect for this area to hold as support kung mag-push back man yung price tapos nag-try siya mag-consolidate in some way. Okay? Kung kunwari, nabasag natin yan. Okay? Tapos ma-break natin tong low na to, then GG na to. Medyo tagilid na kasi not only did it pull back deep enough, it actually broke yung minor range lows. Ngayon, kung mas conservative ka pa, ayaw mo ng ganon. Pwede mong hintayin na mabasag tong 0.97 kasi dyan tayo nagkaroon ng area of previous support, previous resistance, previous support, and so on, no? So, pwede mong hintayin na mabasag to kung talagang super conservative ka. Kapag nabasag yan, then odds are what's gonna happen is parang ganito. We start ranging in this lower area. Okay? But syempre, ideally, what we want to see happen is either mag-consa tayo dito, mag-flag tayo ng konti, or we just move straight up kung bullish tayo. Okay? Again, 1.19 yung next level of resistance. If we're able to break 1.19, 1.32 yung possible na next target. Okay? But of course, you have to keep in mind na may mga minor resistances tayo along the way, around there. Pero yung mga major resistance levels are these. Alright? So I hope na nagustuhan nyo tong video na to and marami kayong natutunan. And as always guys, maraming salamat po sa panonood. I really appreciate it. Good luck and happy trading!